Hello, students. How are you? I think you will be fine and enjoying your holidays. Hi, I'm Prakash Shivasto, your computer teacher. Due to the coronavirus, whole world have been facing countless problems. Many people have been died from coronavirus. Therefore, safety is very important for us. Please stay home and safe. Today, I have brought this video for class 9 students. I'm your computer teacher and I will explain about some topics related to your course. Then let's start with this topic here given. The first topic here, a computer defining a computer. Student, a computer is a very important part of our life, and we know what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device which is used to perform a variety of operations on the basis of a set of instructions called programs. It takes input from the user in the form of data or instructions. On receiving the instructions from the user, the computer processes the data and generates some output and display it to the user. Input refers to the process of the feeding data or instructions in a computer, whereas output is the result that is obtained when the computer processes the input. When the computer processes data, it becomes information. As I think I told you in the class, what is a data and information. Okay, I will tell you after this, but here I am telling you some important here. The understanding the hardware. Understanding the hardware. Two important two important parts here. Two important parts means you can say computer hardware and software. Both are very important, very initial to all computer here. Computer hardware refers to the all physical part of a computer. Physical parts refers those parts or devices that you can touch, such as a keyboard, mouse and monitor. So there are two types of the hardware devices: input devices and output devices. Any device that lets you enter data or instructions is known as an input device, such as a keyboard, mouse, and joystick. On other hand, any hardware device which displays result to you is known as an output device, such as a monitor and printer here. And software can be defined as a set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified job. In simple words, you can say software refers to the instructions that tell a computer how to perform a given task. So students, we should know here the differences between about the hardware and the software, because the hardware and software both are the complementary to each other here. So now, next here, the understanding data and information. Data here, the raw figure facts, such as a name or given the number, for example Raj 15 and 9th, are raw figures and can be termed as a data. A computer can accept data in a various formats, such as a text, numbers, audio, video, and images. These are called the data. And data can be collected and stored for the future use. Means, as you know, student, we store the data for the future retrieval. Means when we need of that data what we stored uh, today, then in the future we can retrieve, we can get again. And information, when a computer process data and convert into a form. that is useful and meaningful for the user. It becomes information. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आपको मैंने बताया था कि राज 15 9 ये क्या है, डेटा है, लेकिन बट व्हेन वी गिव सम systematic order these data, then it will be termed in a information. Like Raj is the name of class 9 student and whose age is 15. So now this is a data. तो I mean information. तो data क्या है? Data is a raw figure fact जिसका कोई अपना परफेक्ट मीनिंग नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब हम इस डेटा को एक सिस्टमैटिक वे में जब हम इसको रखते हैं तो वो एक इंफॉर्मेशन बन जाता है. तो आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो कि डेटा व्हेन प्रोसेस्ड टू फाइंड सम मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट इज नोन एज इंफॉर्मेशन. अब आपको ये भी मालूम होगा स्टूडेंट की इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट क्या होता है. तो दिस I want to show you by such a diagram. So as I drawn a diagram for you class 9th here, as you can see here in this diagram, IPO cycle, input process output. I think you have studied in your previous classes input process and output, but I want to tell you more about here the input process and output. Those student who could not get properly about this information, so then you can get the knowledge of the input and output process here. The input, that is a when we put something into the computer like in a form of the data, that is called the input here. तो like here inputting, that is called also. तो input कैसे कर सकते हैं? By such a device like a keyboard, mouse, light pen, touch screen, touch pad, joystick, scanner, etc. These are the input devices by which we can insert our instructions or command into the computer. Then further it process the data what we insert into the computer. Like here you can see this is a CPU here. The CPU is a process box, brain of the computer, which process the data what do you give the computer. Then after processing, then it sent to the output devices. Output devices, such a device which shows your information after processing. So like here the monitor, printer, plotter, projector, speaker and headphones, these are some of the output devices. तो स्टूडेंट यू नो ऑल्सो द वर्किंग ऑफ द कंप्यूटर कि हाउ कंप्यूटर वर्क्स, कंप्यूटर कैसे वर्क करता है. तो दीज आर द मेन pattern, these are the essential pattern for every computer because all computer work on this pattern. So we should know here the as a key what the computer do when we give the instructions to the computer. So as we know कि a computer perform task in the same manner as we do our day-to-day activities. For example, when we want to have the some sweets, first we take some money, go to the market and buy sweets, and finally get the sweets as an output. So in same manner, the computer takes data from the input devices, process it and displays the output. So we can say here the input, process and output. Input, it is sends the data and the command to the computer is known as input. Process refers to the work done by the computer with the help of the hardware and software. Output refers to the result displayed by the computer here. And now here the next term of your topic, it is a entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means these our topic means about the fundamental of the computer, but after that we find here the entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs. Means entrepreneurship related to the business, means in the computer you know ki it is a especially used in the business purpose, not a business but today in every sphere, in every area, this machine are used. So now first we should know here the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching and running a new business which is often initially a small business, that is called the entrepreneurship मतलब आप ये कह सकते हो कि वो प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें हम अपने नए बिजनेस को लॉन्च करते हैं, उसको अपने एफर्ट से अपने तरीके से चलाते हैं, अपने पूरी तरीके से जो है अपनी कोशिश से हम उस बिजनेस को चलाते हैं, उसको हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कहते हैं। एंटरप्रेन्योर, द पीपल हु क्रिएट दिस बिजनेस आर कॉल्ड द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, मतलब वो पर्सन जो कह सकते हैं बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करता है, उस पर्सन को हम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कहते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही। आगे मैं आपके लिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेकर आऊँगा और भी अलग टॉपिक होगा जो आपके चैप्टर से रिलेटेड होगा, जिसमें आप कुछ फंडामेंटल्स और कुछ नए टर्म्स टॉपिक्स जो है आपको मिलेंगे। और सबसे पहले मैं आपसे ये कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ end of this video, please like and subscribe my video, because the next video you will get the notification automatically. So that's why student, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.